have your car.
Car.
Yeah, your car.
Go on. Oh, is it yummy? Ah, all right. So you're breaking it. That's not good. There you go. There you go, baby. There you go. There you go. Don't get mad, please, little boy. There you go. There you go. There you go. There. Oh. Did that go up your nose on accident? Get it? Get it? Focus? You got it to your mouth. Good boy. It's hard, isn't it? It's hard. That is no easy feat. Is your baby learning to eat stuff? He learning? Look at how fat your baby's getting, Alice. Look at this. Look at that. Look at that. Mom, Eric, look at my fat kid. Oh, I put your cars on the coffee table in the living room. Are you a mess? Did you open your cars while we were driving?
Yeah.
Was that bad?
Yeah.
Are you going to do it again?
No.
Okay. Are you going to be a good boy now?
Yes. Open cars.
Yeah?
Stay cars.
Yes. Stay on.
Cars. Stay cars.
Yes. Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah, they're over there. They're not downstairs. Are you talking? Did you drop your cracker? Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Greedy boy. Oh, and by the way, this would be New Belgium Sunshine Wheat in a can. It's really good. Not as good as in a bottle, but you know, it's good.
Oh, God.
How many cars are there?
1.
That's not 3, that's 2.
Yeah, 1.
Go get your other one. How you doing on that rice husk, baby?
Yeah.
Is that good? Is that delicious?
Yeah.
That magical?
Oh. Yeah.
And that car, it's a truck. Daddy got you a truck and the,
Oh.
yeah.
Oh.
This is, difficult to open. Let's stab it.
Tap.
Ah! Get it! Put it back. Did it work?
No.
Move your fingers. Move your fingers. Get it again.
Are you messy?
Alright. Let's try to do this, the smart way. Alright, now open it. Awesome.
Yeah!
Awesome. How many cars do you have now? Oh, how many do you have? How many? Count them. 1, 2, count them. What's that? 1. Mhm. You're driving it on me. Oh, meanwhile, the baby is having a battle with this rice husk. Aww. He's gonna get it. Aww. I know. Here, baby. Ah! Ah! Oh no! Let go! I got your food. Yeah. There we go. There we go. You are such a fat kid. And there goes my phone. Whoops. Alright. Look at that fat. Look at all those thigh ripples. Uh-oh. Time to end the video. We love you guys. Especially you, Paul. Oh, and Alex wants to say bye. We love you guys. Blow kisses? Blow kisses? Yeah. Mhm.